In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an online board whiteboard in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll have a live interactive whiteboard sitting right inside your Notion page, ready for brainstorming, planning, or collaboration. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want the whiteboard to live. This can be any page, an existing workspace page, or a fresh one you create for a project. Once you're on that page, press the / key on your keyboard. That opens Notion's block menu. Start typing the word embed, then select the embed block from the list. You'll see a field that asks for a link. Leave that open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Now, open a new browser tab and go to onlineboard.eu. Create or start a new online board. The site will bring you into a blank canvas where you can draw, add notes, or organize ideas. When your board is ready to share, look for the Share option. Click Share and copy the link it provides. If there's a setting to control access, choose the level you want, View or Edit, so your Notion viewers can interact the way you intend. Copy the Share URL to your clipboard. Switch back to your Notion tab. In the Embed block field you opened earlier, paste the link you just copied. Confirm by pressing Enter or clicking the Embed button. Notion will fetch a preview, and in a moment, your online board whiteboard should appear directly on the page. If you see a prompt asking to embed the link, approve it. Give it a second to load fully. Once it's active, you can interact with the board right there in Notion. At this point, you're done. Your board is embedded and ready to use. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that you pasted the full share link and that the sharing permissions on the board allow access. Using the secure HTTPS version of the link can also help. You can tidy up the layout by dragging the edges of the embed to resize it so it fits your page design. If you plan to collaborate, make sure your teammates have access to the Notion page and that the board's share settings match how you want them to participate. That's all there is to it. You opened your Notion page, added an embed block, created a board on Online Board, copied the share link, and pasted it into Notion. Now you have an interactive whiteboard embedded where your team works. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new setup.